Welcome to Hoover.
Through traffic. Look at her talking on the phone to her boyfriend. Imagine this, it's the only way to get to Arizona.
Because there's a lot of people coming.
What is this, though? How are these people crossing that way? Maybe that's not
They
going to
have to
Arizona.
protect it here because this is their,
Yeah.
this is the best income they got over here.
American woman, and get away from me. Hey, This is where the Griswolds went, remember? Vegas vacation. They drove from the hotels.
Yeah, that's
Out
why
here.
you were driving.
Damn straight ahead. Bridge scenic view. What the fuck?
No, we're going there.
But imagine that after 911. That's right. We weren't out here. We were out here before 911. It's been that long. Oh my God. These are all tour buses. Imagine this.
Yeah, they're going to, the tour bus is going to all the way to Grand Canyon. I Google it.
Okay, I see it up here.
And here we are.
Down here.
See that? Be careful with speed. Can you see it? Oh, here is the beautiful one. Look at that, the overpass bridge. The overpass bridge over
Oh,
there.
it's a real street U-turn, see?
Yeah, be careful.
Could go flopping right off the side. They'd never be seen again. What could they do?
In 1/4 mile, arrive at Hoover Dam.
There it is.
Yeah.
The damn dam. We'll park up here.
The downtown built in
Wow, look at that.
1931. And it was done in 1936. They built it over 5 years.
Remember they
That is
said you
long.
could pay here or go up there. On the Arizona side, it's free.
Yeah, $10.
No, it's free on the Arizona side.
Yeah, but
We're going to Arizona. We're going to go there. I'm not going to park here. Park in Arizona. People don't know that.
yeah, because people they start walking over here, and that is the food court. That's why they park there.
There's one over here. A food court?
Yeah, not food court. It's a restaurant over there, and that is the other side.
Hoover Dam tours.
Down. Look at that.
This is, see how it's changed since the movie Fools Rush In, too. Right?
Look.
You could just drive straight through.
Yeah, this is the angels. Look at the angels. This is the other angels.
Arriving at Hoover Dam.
Yay, arriving.
Sure the hell wasn't a half hour. Really, just don't
I'm not-
get me in any
Stop. Okay.
American. So we'll get out, park over here. Alright, pretty soon it's going to be the state of Arizona. Ah, see the time? They changed us back. We lose an hour.
Yeah, it's 11 now.
Hold on a second. I thought we lose an hour. Oh yeah, so it's 11:20. Did we lose an hour?
I have no idea.
Yeah, we lost an hour because it should be 10. Should be 10:20. Do we want to do this on the way back? And just head to the Arizona now?
Yeah, this is the right side because I can't see that on the left side.
All right, so on the way home, we'll park over there.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll head to the Grand Canyon.
You have to
now.
park in there.
No pedestrians beyond this point. Those are all U.S. government police and stuff. I'm not walking that far, but we can park up there and look down, but we won't see the dam. So on the way back, we're gonna have to park there. They forgot to say that. Not walking this far. I'll pay the $10. We're gonna be going back in the daytime, so it'll give us something to look forward to. We see what's there. All right, we're heading to. Now we have to put Grand Canyon South Rim. Holy shit! Oh, it's $10 to park there anyways.
So go back, just go back and park in the closest one.
No, we're heading to Grand Canyon. This is the way.
Oh, this is the way?
I don't think we leave here. I mean, it goes out that way. Where to?
I don't know. Because going there is have to go back.